Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a tutorial that I have for mascara beauty. So I'm starting off with moisturizer. This is Grown Up Alchemist. I think I got it in one of my subscription boxes. I like it, although it smells extremely strong. So first I'm going to prep my eyes with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I like to just cancel out all the veins and colors on my eyelids. And also it's a good primer as well. Then I'm going to set that with the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I just want to give a good base for the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the Mascara Eyeshadow Everything brush into the color Sabrina. This is a light shimmery color, so it's perfect for the inner corner of your eyes and also underneath the brow bone. Then I'm going to take the shadow Bubba and I'm going to work that into the crease. This is kind of our transition shade, so just make sure that it is super blended. You want to kind of do it a few times so that way you get a good payoff of color, and just keep blending as you go. It may take a little bit, but you really want this to be blended. So I'm going to go in a few times with the Bubba. So add a little color, blend that out, add a little bit more, blend that out. You want to just do it until you get to the color that you like. And then we're going to move to the color Trust, which is a deep, cool brown. I use this to darken the crease a little bit. So you want to take this in your very outer corner, and you're going to start there and then blend inward. So you want the the most amount of color on the outer corner, and then you blend just kind of what's left towards the middle. So I bring that darker color all the way in to the inner part of my eye. I like this for my eye shape. I have hooded lids, and if I don't put a darker color on that extra skin that kind of like hangs over, it really just, it looks, in my opinion, it just looks bad. So the darker color makes like a shadow, so you're kind of giving yourself the illusion that that there is a crease there, that there's. So anyways, I'm not really explaining it right, but I like to give myself that shadow right above there. So then I'm gonna take the Sabrina, which is the light kind of champagne color again. I'm putting that right on my lid. I have like the smallest lid ever because of my hooded lids, so if you put kind of a light or shimmery color, it's gonna stand out. That's just the illusion that I like on my eyes. So then I'm gonna take Salem, which is a matte black, and I am going to use this on the very outer corner and then kind of use windshield wiper motions to blend it inward. I know this is everyday look, and a lot of people are going to be like, oh my god, she's using black for every day, but I guess I'm a little extra. Then I'm taking a flat shader brush into the color Trust. This is the perfect shade for my eyebrows. So if you have, if you're a brunette, or if you, like me, have like balayage kind of thing going on, and dark roots, this is literally the perfect brow color. You want a cool toned brown, just so, I mean, because brows aren't normally warm toned. So this is so perfect. So now moving on to the face. So for our 3D foundation, which is what mascara is all about, the highlight colors are going to go on the lighter portion of your face where the light would normally hit. So this is going to go kind of where our concealer would go, right in between our eyebrows, around our nose, chin, and then I'm going underneath where you would put your contour. My color is June, but everyone's color will be different, just based on your skin tone. So now I'm going to blend this out. So the thing about 3D foundation is it's awesome because you're not using a million different products. So this, you're going to use 2 different shades as your actual foundation. So you have a highlight, which is the lighter color, the contour, which is the darker color, and then you're going to blend them together, and that gives you your customized 3D foundation. So you're not just doing one color, which is, makes your face look flat. This gives your face dimension, it gives it life. I literally love this, and I've been doing makeup for forever. And I've tried a million different makeup products. And the first time I tried this, I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so genius because you're using less product and you're getting the same desired result, but so fast. So now I'm taking indigo, which is my contour color. This is actually the darkest, or one of the darker contour colors, but I like it because I can use a little bit instead of packing it on, and it gives me that really rich color that I like. So I'm going to put this underneath my cheekbones, around my forehead. I'm going to kind of contour my nose a little bit, and then I'm going to put it underneath my chin. Sorry about my daughter. She's like in makeup too now because I've been doing this, so she likes to make videos. So now I'm using the Maskcara 30-second hack brush, and I'm blending out the contour. So it's literally super easy to blend, takes like 1 second, well, not 1 second, but you know what I mean. Literally, if I'm doing a full face, I could do this full face without the eyeshadow or, this crazy eyeshadow, but I could do it literally in 5 minutes, maybe less, because it blends out so seamlessly, and I just love this. It gives your face so much more dimension than using a liquid foundation, and then powder contour, and then powder blush, and then you're just packing on the products. This is literally, we're only on 1 layer right now. So I put the highlight color, on one part of my face. I put the contour on one part. So we're only 1 layer in right now. So I'm going to take the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I absolutely love this. I was recommended to this by another mascara artist, but oh my gosh, it is literally a life changer. So if you do not want to touch up your makeup during the day, use this. And I kind of bake a little bit. I don't leave it on forever, but I kind of just put a lot on, and then I'm going to dust off the extra. This will literally set everything all day, and it looks so flawless. So I like to do the highlight, the contour, blend it out, and then set that. And then I'm going to use Bella, which is a cream bronzer. I'm just going to kind of bronze, warm up my face. You kind of lose a little bit with the powder, which is, a lot of people don't use powder and don't have to use powder with this foundation. I just do because I'm a little oily, and that's just how I like it. I don't like to have to, fix it a little bit during the day. So now I'm going to take Bubba, which is that kind of the transition shade, and I'm going to run that underneath the lash line. And I'm going to take Trust, which is a little darker, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner of the bottom lash line. We're just kind of smoking this out a little bit. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, which I have the shortest lashes ever because I had lash extensions, and I hated the place that I went to, so I stopped getting them and haven't found a good place again, so that's where I'm at. So now I'm going to use Sandstone, which is awesome blush color. It's kind of like a terracotta. This looks so good. It also looks really good on the lips. I just have I'm a creature of habit, and my lip colors that I use, I'm just kind of obsessed with and have to go back to that. But anyways, doesn't this sandstone look so good? So I'm just kind of using a beauty blender to kind of just blend that out, just to make sure everything is blended seamless, and no harsh lines. So now I'm going to take that flat shader brush and I'm going to spritz it with this Mascara Stay Setting Spray. I'm getting this wet because I want to line my lash line with the Salem, the black eyeshadow. So by getting it wet, it just intensifies the color. And then I'm just going to kind of make a little wing and then smoke it out. I just like that for my eye shape. You don't have to do that. It opens my eyes a little bit if I do that. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm blending it up into the black that we put in the outer corner as well. And then I just connect the lines kind of to my bottom lash line, and that is super easy. So literally, this is so easy, and I have one palette, and it has everything that I need. So now I'm going to do false lashes because, like I said, I have no lashes. I'm using Duo Lash Glue, which I normally love, but it's stuck in there. And you'll see in a minute that it goes everywhere. And I was like, oh my god. Didn't say that. Anyways, I'm waiting for the glue to dry, which takes forever. And honestly, I'm doing the rose gold illuminator. These are cream illuminators. They are so awesome. You just dip your finger in, blend it out right on the top of the cheekbones. I go down my nose, and then in the cupid's bow on the lip. I actually did rose gold, and then I went back over it again with pearl, which is another illuminator color. I kind of just like doubling it up because, hey, don't you just love the glow, you know? Then I'm going to take this Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use the color Strobe, and I'm just setting that cream. So this is a powder highlighter. You definitely do not have to do this. It's such an extra step, but I just like the look it gives because holy moly, look at that glow. So I think we're back to eyelashes, waiting on them to dry. Oh my gosh, it's insane. And then once I put the first one on, it was awful. I had to redo it because it was too dry. I'm just so good at freaking false lashes. It's insane. Here's my crazy cat lady mug because, you know, I have 2 Persian cats I'm obsessed with. They're so cute. So I love this little grumpy cat mug. Waiting on lashes to dry still. So I got one on. That was actually the second eye I did because the first eye was too dry, didn't stay on. It was horrible. There's my daughter trying to knock over my entire light stand. So I'm going in with the indigo contour using that flat shader brush, and I'm going to line my lips. I love this. It's like a awesome dark brown. Or I guess it's more of a medium brown, but it's more cool toned. So I'm lining the lips, and then I kind of just blend that out a little bit. I'm not filling them in with this. I just blend out the line so it's not too harsh. And I'm going to go in with Pink Grapefruit, which is a blush. This bright pink. Oh my gosh. I don't wear this on its own, but it looks so good together with these colors. I'm seriously obsessed with this little concoction that I came up with. But Pink Grapefruit is more of a matte, so that's going to go on matte. I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to go with Nude, which is the cheek and lip color. I love this as a blush, but this is more of a satin. So I love all these colors together. I'm literally obsessed with this color. It's just, I really think it's the perfect lip color for me. Like, I think I just want to wear it every day because I love it. I was obsessed with the ColourPop Trap, but this is kind of close. Anyways, moving on to lashes, I'm just kind of adding mascara. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I don't know that I love it, but it's just what I have. I'm just kind of trying to blend my lashes with the false lashes. So I think at this point, I'm going to add Rose Gold Illuminator. And I'm just going to add that to the center of the lips. This just gives a little bit of dimension to the lips. And that is the look. I hope you guys like it. This is just kind of everyday glam. It may be a little extra for some people, but I love it. So there you go. So if you want to follow me, my Instagram is The Good Life of Ash B. I would love to see you there.